Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to check sent friend requests on Roblox. So let's get started. First open roblox.com. Now press on the top left of the screen and press Friends. Now press on Requests. As you can see, no results found. Now search for Sasha in People. As you can see, we have already sent a friend request to that profile. Now right-click on the profile and press on Open Link in a new tab. Now the profile of Sasha has been opened. As you can see, it's pending. Now in the search option, let's search for Peter in People. Now what you have to do is check on your own. Simply think hard and think of the people whom you might have sent a request to in Roblox. You can search for them by name or you can search for them by profile. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share the video.